Hello learners, welcome back to 130 Prepositions. This video contains prepositions set 8. Question number 71 to 80. Their answers with reasons and Hindi meaning also. So let's start the video. The horse rider fell the horse. Off/from. The sheep ran the hill. Down/ from. The frog is jumping the pond, into. The old man walked the road. Across/along. The child is climbing the stairs. Down/up. The cat jumped the sofa. Of/off. The children are going school. From/to. Her books are the newspaper. Under/close to. Rain comes the clouds. Down/from. The children are running the tree. Down/round. Answers with reasons. 71. Off. 72. Down. 73. Into. 74. Along. 75. Up. 76. Off. 77. To. 78. Under. 79. From. 80. Round. (71) The horse rider fell off the horse. Off/from. A reason, off, indicates falling from a position on top of something.
Hindi meaning, घुड़सवार घोड़े से गिर गया.
72. The sheep ran down the hill. Down/from. A reason, down, indicates movement from a higher to a lower position.
Hindi meaning, भेड़ पहाड़ी से नीचे दौड़ी.
73. The frog is jumping into the pond. In/into. A reason, into, indicates movement from outside to inside. Hindi meaning, मेंढक तालाब में कूद रहा है. 74. The old man walked along the road. Across/along. A reason, along, indicates movement in a direction parallel to something. Hindi meaning, बूढ़ा आदमी सड़क के किनारे चला. 75. The child is climbing up the stairs. Down/up. A reason, up, indicates movement to a higher position.
Hindi meaning, बच्चा सीढ़ियों पर चढ़ रहा है.
76. The cat jumped off the sofa. Of/off. A reason, off, indicates movement away from a surface. Hindi meaning, बिल्ली सोफे से कूद गई. 77. The children are going to school. From/to. A reason, to, indicates direction towards a destination.
Hindi meaning, बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
78. Her books are under the newspaper. Under/close to. A reason, under, indicates a lower position covered by something. Hindi meaning, उसके किताबें अखबार के नीचे है. 79. Rain comes from the clouds. Down/from. A reason, from, indicates the source or origin. A Hindi meaning, बारिश बादलों से आती है. 80. The children are running round the tree. Down/round. A reason, round, indicates movement in a circular path around something.
Hindi meaning, बच्चे पेड़ के चारों ओर दौड़ रहे हैं.
Thank you for your continued support and interest. Keep watching, and I hope this will help you clear your grammar concepts. Please let us know if this content helps you by leaving a comment. Stay tuned for more helpful content on our YouTube channel. Happy learning! Wait for the next video.